I think I'm gonna take track 4. So we're going North Barry or so. I don't know. We're just gonna go for a train ride. What to do on a gloomy day. This is it. Behind you.
Sorry.
It's okay. This is going to Barry? Aurora. Okay. I'm just going on a ride. Because I need something to do for my YouTube channel. And plus I have a new thing I want to try, a suction thing for the window and the phone.
To record the outside?
Yeah. So I'm trying that out. I forget what side. Figured out.
Final call for the doors. Stay clear. Doors are now closed.
I wanted to actually go to Aurora another time, but I guess I'm doing it right now. Just for the ride. I don't know if we have time to explore. So. And I want to do a test. Here, I checked before leaving. All right. So, are we moving yet? No. I am gonna try this thing out. So apparently, how does it go on the phone? Squid grips. Suction, 40 suction cups to attach your device to any smooth, flat surface. Okay.
Hello everyone and welcome on board your port train. This is your customer service ambassador speaking.
Oh, we're gonna go north, so I don't know if we're gonna get this lake view.
Aurora, making all station stops. Strip will terminate at Aurora Go. We have bus connection at Aurora for Newmarket, Woodbury, Bradford, Hinsdale, and Barry.
Okay.
Thank you for riding with us.
Okay, that's the north side.
Our first stop is Downsview Park.
Gloomy day.
And for passengers in coach 363, if you wish to exit the train at Maple, go to the coach next to you. Doors on coach 363 will not open at Maple. Once again, doors on coach 363 will not open at Maple. If you wish to exit the train, please go to the coach next to you.
The wicked
First
clouds.
stop, Downsview Park.
Oh, so it goes straight to Downsview Park, so there's no stopping. Oh, there's the CN Tower. Well, I'm gonna have to capture the moment. One moment. All right, I am gonna not not unboxing, but I'm just opening the package. Here's the 40 suction cups. Okay, on each side. Okay, so let's see. Take it out of the package. It's very stuck on the package. Okay. All right. So I'm going to use my other phone. Okay. Recording. Suction it. Okay. Good. Get my other phone. So we're going west. So I could have went to exhibition place. Oh no. What happened? Alright, so let's try the phone. So they said put this on the phone. Alright. Oh, it works. Okay. Oh my gosh. It really works. Doesn't damage the phone now. Alright, so let's see. Okay, it's on it. Let's see how it records. This is cool. Oh my gosh. It's working. No, let's try to balance it there. It's working. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. If only I can afford to really travel and use this. Pretty good. Okay. Let's try to balance it there. It's working. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. If only I can afford to really travel and use this. Pretty good. Okay. So here I am. I'm recording on my iPhone 14, but I am on a live stream, and that's recording on the iPhone 16. I am pointing here, showing that it does slide a little bit off the suction cup. So just keep an eye on it. I would say it did that a few times. Okay, I've come back on to show that it's sliding down again. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Better than holding the iPhone or the phone against the window and your hand is cramping up all the time. So I will be using this on my next train ride, bus ride, streetcar ride, so I can get a good angle with the camera and all. So yeah, it works. So check out the unedited live replay on the main channel, Out and About, with yours truly, Lizzo C.